Good morning, students. Welcome to another session of Value Education with Ranga Rao. Today we will learn about what is personality and how to develop it. Open your GK book, lesson number 2 Personality. What is personality? Personality is the combination of behavior, emotion, motivation, and thought that defines an individual. Personality is made up of thoughts, feelings, and behavior that make a person unique. We say Mahatma Gandhi was a great personality. He was a distinguished human being of great respectability. His guiding principles like truth, nonviolence, simplicity, and honesty made him distinct from others. Mother Teresa was a great personality. The example of Mother Teresa inspires all of us to love and care for the sick and aged. The lives of Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Thomas Edison, etc. inspires us to invent and contribute to the welfare of society. Likewise, each of us has a personality of our own. We stand out from others by our character and behavior. We stand out from others by the unique way we react to others. For example, some of us are inventors. Our scientific nature stands out. Some of us are more courageous. The courage in us stands out and are ready to take difficult missions. Some of us are talented by nature. Our talents will stand out in different activities. Some people are temperament in character. That means nobody can predict what they will do next. That is the personality by which people know them. Formation of personality is a lifelong process. As personality is a set of traits inherited and learned. Education aims to develop good traits and values among individuals. How do we develop our inner traits? So, focus on loving yourself. Avoid negative talk or thinking. If there are others putting you down, avoid defining yourself on their terms. You determine who you are and find supports that boost your positive personality traits. Find others that welcome you and make you feel loved. Be kind to yourself every day. And mankind is endowed with some very important powers. The power to change oneself is a gift from God. We all have free will and we can choose what we want and reject what we do not want. Education helps us a lot to inculcate certain values which can make our life happy and worth living. Above all, love is the greatest magic in this world. You can do everything with the help of love. Develop this art to improve your personality. Let me tell you a short story, not story, real story. Being honest. Once Ramakrishna asked his disciples means students, to steal a little rice from their own home, but there was a condition that nobody sees them stealing rice. After a week, all of his disciples came back with rice except for one. Everyone was happy as they were able to complete the task given to them of stealing rice from home without anyone noticing them. Ramakrishna asked that student reason for coming empty handed. Student told him that even if he tries hand to steal rice, hiding from everyone else, he always saw himself stealing rice. So there was never ever a situation when he could have steal rice when nobody is seeing. Because whatever we do, it is never hidden from one person, and that is ourselves. That student who came empty handed was Swami Vivekananda. So the moral is, whenever we try to do something wrong, even if we hide it from everyone else, yet we cannot hide it from ourselves. So we should never do anything wrong. Thank you. Have a nice day.